Hi, I'm Jim Delboux and this is my product compliance demonstration for ENGG4500 assignment 2. Right, for general criteria, item 1.1.1, the functional surfaces A, B, C and D are all flat and they're all free of any obstructions to make it easy to stack some more of these objects of the same type. Item 1.1.2, you can see the outside dimensions meet the criteria: 250, 125 to the center of the hole, and 200 this way, 250 again, and 200. You can also see that for this edge here, where it looks like it protrudes, it actually sits flush with the box. And so that shows 1.1.2 as well, that it's all contained within the box. 1.1.3, the hole is approximately 43 millimeters, as I'll show by the golf ball in each hole. Alright, and 1.1.4, whenever the ball's inside as it enters the hole, it's fully insulated within the two paths. So it can't exit anywhere else within the block. And I'll show now how the ball goes through the block. So A, straight through the other way, and through these two paths, and again. So that shows all of general criteria. All right. Number 2, suggested criteria. The product actually meets all 4 of the criteria, 2.1.1 and 2.1.3. Can be shown here. Switch the power on. And you can see the lights and the audio. I'll switch that off for now. 2.1.2. You can see through this path, through the curves, that it's slowed down the ball's effect from gravity and made it a lot slower. You can see by placing it this way, it's much slower than the sudden part of that way. And 2.1.4, all these materials that we used for this product were mass produced themselves, so therefore this product can also be mass produced. For compliance criteria 3.1.1, due to the complexity of the design and the taping and the different components, it's not able to be disassembled within 15 seconds and stored flat. And 3.1.2 does not comply with Australian food consumption standards, as none of these parts are edible. And for the development criteria, 2 of the items had to be chosen. I chose the audio and also the lights, which is 4.1.1 and 4.1.2. We've seen that just before. So for this, I used this toy from Kmart. Originally, it used these buttons on the front. I pulled it apart and soldered these 2 wires in to the button, and goes up to this little wire switch up in here, which the ball operates as it goes in. And I'll just show that in action once more. Power it up again. You can see it playing there, and once I go through again, we should see it change to a different tone. And there we go, it's changed to a different tone now. Light sequences. And as for the rest of the development criteria, they were not applicable to the project and will not be demonstrated. And that's all. Thank you.